Columbus never was a big industrial city the way Cleveland and Youngstown or Dayton were, but we did make things here. We made steel for a long time. We brew beer here, especially in the microbreweries. But we also have an interesting company, the American Whistle Corporation. We make whistles here in Columbus, and it's the only place this kind of whistle is made in the entire United States. Hello, Phil. How are you?
Jeff, how are you?
Good to see you. Well, I've been looking forward to coming here.
Well, here you are. You made. You know what? I wore my Sunday's best for you. You see that? Yeah.
I like the shirt.
The machines do throw grease out, and it
Oh,
always
well.
lands on me.
Oh,
so,
swell.
Yeah.
Well, I do hear the sounds of production in there. Shall we take a tour?
We are well underway
All
on
right.
one of the hottest days of the year. So you ready to see it?
I am.
Come on in.
Great.
It's all underway. Hey, is it everything you dreamed it would be?
I think it is. I love factories.
Well, you know what? Since you've graced us with your presence, there's your whistle right there.
Why, thank you.
Our company here, American Whistle, has been in business since 1956.
So this panel sort of explains the process. It shows
Yeah.
the parts, the
Yeah, it
intermediate
does.
parts.
Yeah, we're going to be doing a lot of this today. I'll show you some of these
Well,
presses.
at the sound of the whistle, let's start the tour.
You know, over here, press number 1, I've named this press Big Junior. Yeah, just watch down here in the bottom. There'll be two parts falling down there on each stroke. So here we go. See, what's happening is this brass is being fed in between these two shoes, and inside of the shoes we have 2 Mickey Mouse ears. Here's a piece of the scrap brass.
Oh, I see, okay.
Yeah, you see that Big Junior's got one Mickey Mouse shaped tooth facing forward and one facing backwards.
So this is a die cutting machine.
Absolutely, yes. It pops those things right through, and the scrap brass is cut off, slides down, we recycle it, they take it away, melt it down, bring it back looking like that. I can get about 6,000 of these Mickey Mouse ears out of each one of these coils. They're about 101 pounds a piece. Big Junior's right here, and Big Junior's standing right beside
Okay.
great-great-grandpa press number 2.
All right.
Because Big Junior was made in 1975. Press number 2 was made in 1905, we found out. Basically how this one works, we've gone to the progressive die,
Right.
press number 5, and made these parts. And these are stacked up right here. Got them all stacked up in the feeder box.
Yep.
And this cylinder right here, well, inside the cylinder it has a little shaft, and it strips off the bottom one and it sends it back
Okay.
into the
Sends it
press.
in one at a time.
Yep, one at a time. When it gets back in there, they're oriented like this. And there's another cylinder that pops this out. And then the press sends a fixture this direction and wraps this around the top. That retracts, and air pressure kicks it into the side box there while it's moving another one in. Now it's looking like a whistle, huh?
Boy, it sure is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, let's go on and take our little Mickey Mouse
All
here
right.
over here
Okay.
to press number 3. So
All right.
over here. I didn't come up with a nickname for this one, though. You know, we have a die insert, and I believe, Jeff, if you looked at your whistle, this is the die that we use in it. This is a die insert. These are made of hardened steel, and yes, that is.
Okay.
You know, there's a die insert that's in there right now.
Okay.
It's facing the ceiling, and of course, you know, this says Coach backwards since it's a stamp. These parts are fed in one at a time. Once again, there's a metal piece that
So
strips off the bottom.
these Mickey Mouse ears go in there.
Yep, they slide right over top of the one that's installed down here.
Okay.
And then you can see we have a little bit of space that exists right here that overlapping. So the press will come down and hit it and move this down underneath the surface a little bit. By doing that, it stamps it and it moves both of those parts up and shapes the whistle. So let's see what die insert we have in here. This might be an award one, maybe. But there, yes, that's
Okay.
the American classic right
Okay.
there. So we do a lot of, that'll probably be rack plated.
Okay.
That might be an award whistle too.
Okay.
So what do you say we check out the soldering station
Sure.
over here? But most of it's automated. Now it starts out in a bowl feeder, all those little tips there, and put thousands of those in there, and then every now there's a spiraling ramp that goes to the top of that bowl feeder and connects up with a track that straightens them out for the machine to come down and use suction and pick one of them up at a time, place it over onto a little cradle. or the nest, we call it. Puts that down in there, and then it moves to one of the next station, and it actually emits a couple of the dollops of that solder paste out onto the tip where it's going to be in contact with the back of the barrel.
flux, yeah.
Rotates around to the front where Kelly's working a little bit here. And then that open gas flame over there is what's melting all that solder paste.
All of this is precise, but this is a particularly precise process to get
Really has
the proper
to be.
amount of solder in the right places at the right time.
After we get them out of here, then we put them. It's kind of hard to see. We have two different vibratories. We have one over there, the square one's called Mr. D. Burr. And we also have, I call it the Big Bagel, back here in the back. We could put about 5,000 in that one for run. 6 hours in there polishing them up.
Okay.
And 1,000 in this, and the smaller one. We use that one more for custom orders and
Okay,
things.
so they polish and smooth the surface.
Yeah, yeah. We have a new product that we're making, and it's a plastic whistle.
Oh,
And you know what? Can I arrange for you to help us make one?
I'd be happy to.
Okay, come on over here.
Let's do it.
This machine right here is a sonic welder, and we make these in our injection molding machine, and that's just two halves.
Yeah, it's half of a whistle.
A whistle. Yeah, did I give you the two same right half?
Right.
Okay.
Yep, they're the right ones.
And you know what? I was mentioning that we make a synthetic cork, and there's different. What color would you like to put in there?
Oh, I think blue is nice.
Oh, okay. There you go. Just set it right down in there.
This one goes here,
Yeah,
and then you put the P in.
that's it. All right, give her a shot there.
Okay, done.
Jeff, you're hired. You know what? This is now sonically welded together with that frequency that you just heard.
So it created heat that melted the plastic.
Exactly. You know that we can make all sorts of colors with these too, and I figured that you would want an OSU whistle or an Ohio State whistle.
Well, absolutely.
So I wanted to make that for you, just knowing. Why don't you give that thing now? Before you blow that thing, chills might run up and down your spine like they did me the first time I did. I'm scared. I'm ready.
I'm ready. You
You
ready?
Okay. Something else, isn't it?
So how can people come and visit?
Yes, people can come and visit us Monday through Friday. You can give us a call, or you can schedule it on AmericanWhistle.com.
Okay. And there's a small fee for the tour,
Yes, there is.
but you end up with a whistle.
You do. So you can look at it. You're paying for the tour, or you're paying for the whistle.
One of them is
You get
free.
one of them free,
One of them's
yeah.
free. Great. Well, this has been wonderful. Thank you for my experience and for my souvenirs.
Well, thank you for coming and visiting with us, Joe.
Glad to be here, and thanks for the tour and for learning the process.
You got it.